Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Royalty here, and today I am coming to you with this Bratz inspired look. I've been seeing a lot of this going around on Twitter and on Instagram. This actually is a collab with many beautiful ladies, which I'm gonna link their Instagram in the description box below so you can see their look. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for choosing to watch, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by doing things a little different. This is really challenging because I kind of didn't want to do like divert from the way I usually do things, but you know, it's a challenge for a reason, you know. So I already drew my brows. I drew them really thin, and this time I used a pencil from Ruby Kisses, and I concealed with my face concealer. Yo, my hands are so ashy. So I'm going to prime my eyes with my usual LA Girl dupe and just tap it. So I'm not gonna let it like go higher than this. And I'm gonna blend it out with my finger because I don't really have a favorite brush right now. I'm starting off with this blue from my Charity Matte palette. It's called Enchant, and I'm just gonna tap this into my lid. I just love how vibrant this blue is. Like, it is so bright. Like, I love it. My scarf is not bright enough for this look. Like, I just love how bright it is. You guys, it is windy as I don't know what outside. This one did not come out today. I'm going to take this blue and just mix it together to blend out what's on our lid. Now I'm going to clean it up, the top area, by using my face concealer, which is also what I use to conceal my brows. Okay guys, so I'm going to go do my face. And if you want to see how I do my base, I'm going to link the video up here. Is it up here? I'm going to link the video above me. And yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, so my small mirror kind of disappeared. Don't know why she would do that. But anyways, we're going to continue. I'm going to take the color Enchant from my Charity Matte palette. And I'm gonna start by stamping this in underneath my eye, and then following this little you know what did that shape. Alright, so I'm gonna go figure out a lip combo that will look good with this. And for my lashes, I'm going to be wearing my Luxury Cosmetics lashes in the style Dream Doll, or is it Barbie? Dream Doll, I think. Dream Doll. And you guys can use my code Royalty for 15% off. And I'll be back with my lashes on, and we can talk about this because I think I messed up a little, but it don't look that bad. So hopefully y'all don't hate it. And yeah, I'll be back. Whoa. Okay, guys. So I'll break it down. Okay, so I went in with a really deep pink for blush, and I used my NYX liquid liner in whites for this area, and I also did some little like accents on my lip with the NYX liquid liner. I look crazy, but it matches the look, so already, like, it's okay. So yes, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for hopefully liking. The sun went down again because I think there's a storm coming or whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Do not forget to watch my last video on how I got my perfect base right here, and you can click my face over here just to see my other videos. And when you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay notified whenever I upload. I usually upload on Mondays at 7 p.m. but that's due to change soon. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.